everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you again for joining me. Today I decided to do a little empty tour of our house. We're actually going to be closing on it on Friday, and I thought I'd just kind of show you around. So let's get started. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the first thing I fell in love with about this house is this huge hallway and the archways. Hubbies are wandering around. We got carpet because we're going to be switching it out to those hardwood tiles. Those tiles that look like hardwood floors. So everything we got was generic because we're going to be switching it out because they didn't have what we actually wanted. So this is going into the next two rooms. Here's the archway. Here is my beauty room. It has two huge windows. It has a decent sized closet. I actually wanted an old house, but my hubby loves new houses, so I kind of gave in. But now he has to make the old house look new. I like everything that looks like farmhouse style, so that's why we're going to be making a lot of changes inside the new house. I know that sounds silly, but he was in the army for 23 years and the poor man never got to pick anything, so he got to pick the house. So this is a spare room. It's not too big, but it's just the two of us, so it's okay. There's another archway. Back to the giant hallway. Then we go into another hallway, and this is the laundry room. It's a pretty good size. Then this is where the garage door is. Then we go into his man cave, which is a pretty good size room. That's the other house they're building. He complains about his small closet. Okay, so we go out of this little hallway, and that's what I love. Hallways everywhere. Okay, so now we're going into the main area of the house. There's the hubby. Say hi, booby. Hi. And look how big our island is. It's huge. Of course I got it black because it's kind of farmhouse style. I'm gonna be switching all these things out. And I got my white kitchen finally. Then we go into the pantry. This is a pretty big pantry. Then we have like the little dining area. I'm going to be switching those out as soon as I move in. Lots of windows. That is the living room. Then for some reason we got another dining room. So we have two dining areas. That has to go. And then this is another archway that goes into the main bedroom. So this bedroom is pretty big. Here I'm going to be putting sliding, not sliding glass doors. What are they called? The barn doors. So barn doors are going to be going there. Tile's going to be removed. Double sink. Shower. Huge linen closet. And then we have a little toilet over here, and I'm going to be putting shiplap in this bathroom on that wall back there. Then we have a pretty good sized closet. Nothing super fancy, but it's pretty big. And this is my hubby, Craig. He's excited. Say hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Not a baby. Say hi to YouTube world. So that's it. It's just the two of us. It's a cozy little home. This is a little lanai. And we chose like that green color. And hopefully I'll get my rocks soon. But this is an overview of what the house looks like. There we go. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow for my next one. Bye.